how I went from this to this one. All right, Headstand 2026, year of the headstand. Let's do it. This is my disclaimer. If you post a video of you doing your headstand on TikTok, hashtag eternally blue so I can see it, okay? I thought the yoga community was supposed to be like chill, and it was not chill. Everybody was yelling at me. So this is just like a mixture that I've gotten from like people that have yelled at me to people who are like actually trying to help me. So let's just do it. Let's just do it. First of all, I do it in an open area. I've fallen and hit my face and body on every single piece of furniture around me. Also, you guys, talking about my core, this is the core I'm working with. I don't want to hear it, okay? I didn't know that you're supposed to lift your legs and like this whole entire thing was on your shoulders, arms, and core. I could do like handstands when I was younger. I could do like a back bend and stuff. I just thought, you know, just get up into the air. That's not what you want to think. Just think you want your hips above your shoulders. Just think that. Don't think I gotta get my legs up into the air. Stop thinking about your legs. I also know that like you're supposed to have your hair up. I just don't want to do that. I'm gonna curve my pinky in. So my pinkies are stacked on top because when they're like this, apparently you can like crush your pinky. Instead of having it like this, I'm gonna go like this. You don't want to put your head on the floor and put all the pressure on your head. Think about your arms. I don't know why it's called a headstand if you're not supposed to put like any of the weight in your head. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna do a plank. My palms, they should be stacked right under your shoulders, and that is where your elbows are gonna go. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scooch my elbow in just a tiny bit because that is where my balance comes from. If your elbows are too wide out, you're gonna have no balance. Palms, elbows, interlace your fingers, hide your pinky. Scooch my elbows in a little bit. Now my shoulders. We don't wanna be art. You're gonna lose all your balance. You're taking all of your core strength and just throwing it out into the trash. Curve our shoulders, okay? You're not supposed to look hot. From here, this is how I practice at night. Going up and going down. That's how I practice every night before bed. Going up and going down. Or I'll even do this. This is how I practice my headstands before bed. We're not practicing right now though, we're gonna move.
Knees on the floor, shoulders over palms, brace your core. It should feel like someone is tickling you or about to punch you, you know, like your core is tight. Elbows where your palms were, interlace your fingers, tuck your pinky, head on the floor. Scooch your elbows in towards your head. Push down with your forearms and round your back and shoulders. Slowly walk as close as you can to your face. Hips over your shoulders. When you have it, you'll just feel it. Lift one leg bent and your other leg should float up right next to it. Hold if you need to catch your balance or forget to breathe like I do. Slowly push up. Once you're balanced, it'll feel like you can do anything. I lost my balance, so I fell out of my headstand the same way I got into it. This took me a while to learn. So this is your stomach, right? Relaxed. This is exactly what we do not want. Breathe in super deep and push all the air out. I don't know if this is considered like flexing, but this is how I make sure my core is engaged. It should feel solid, tight, like someone's about to punch me, and I'm like prepared to get hit. Again, you need to be engaging your core the entire time. No excuses. Shoulders over your palms. Get ready to press with your shoulders. Interlace your fingers, tuck your pinky, head on the floor. Move your elbows closer to your head. Start pressing into the floor with your shoulders and forearms. Lift up. Suck in your stomach, but keep breathing. Slowly walk to your face until your hips are above your shoulders. You can see I thought I had it, but no, your body should float and not fall like this. I start all the way over. Really suck in my stomach, and when I feel like I'm about to throw up, I know I'm doing it right. Hips are stacked over my shoulders. I move a bit fast, but I got it. I point my toes. I know some people say to like squeeze your glutes. That's just not how I get into my headstand, but you can try that. Let me know if it's easier that way.
Damn. Yeah.
I'm ready to come down down again, I come down the way I got up. Yes, I'm repeating myself. No, I don't care. That's how I learned. I needed to hear the steps again and again, so when I do it alone, I remember the steps by myself. Deep breath in, core tight, exhale at the same time. Keep your core tight, rock hard, solid. That's what we want. Shoulders over your palms, elbows where your palms were. Interlace your fingers, tuck your pinky, head on the floor. Walk uncomfortably close to your face. Get ready to push with your shoulders. Suck in your stomach, keep the braced core. I lost it. My arms were not ready, so I kept breathing. I started over. Suck in, tight core. Push your forearms into the floor. Walk until your hips are above your shoulders. Lift one leg bent. Your other leg will just float up and follow. Keep your balance. Point your toes to the ceiling. I want my toes over my head. You'll be able to control yourself with your shoulders and your core. I lost my balance falling forward, so I made sure I'm pushing my forearms and hands really hard into the floor. I tightened my core to shift my weight back towards the center. I tried to do something cool. I lost it. Do not fall into a back bend. It's super dangerous. Fall the same way that you got up. Again, deep breath in. Keep your core tight while you exhale. If you just exhale and relax your core, there's no point in doing this. Deep breath in, exhale, and keep your core tight. It should be hard. Relaxed, jiggly. That means you're not ready. Deep breath in, exhale, keep core tight. Keep core tight forever in the headstand. Shoulders over your palms, elbows where your palms were. Interlace your fingers, tuck your pinky, move your elbows closer to your head on the floor. No pressure on your head. Push your forearms and hands into the floor with your shoulders. Suck in your stomach. Round your shoulders and round your back. I tiptoe close to my face. I stack my hips above my shoulders. Some people lift one leg straight up. I prefer lifting one bent or lifting both legs at once. No kicking, no nothing. Your feet will literally just start to float. Hold your balance. Point your toes to the ceiling. Push your forearms and hands hard into the floor. Move your legs with your core. Fall the same way that you got up. Shoulders over palms, keep your core engaged at all times. Hold it in, keep breathing. Elbows where your palms were. Interlace your fingers, tuck your core, put your head on the floor. No pressure on your head. Suck in your stomach, round and press your shoulders into the floor. Press your arms, pull in your stomach. Lift your knees, no pressure on your head. My head feels light. I'm avoiding any weight on my head, making sure my shoulders and forearms are doing all the work. Tiptoe to your face, stack hips above shoulders, bend one knee. Look how I had to flick my toe to get up. Okay, wrong. We don't want to do this. This means my hips were not stacked above my shoulders like I thought they were. My core should be in control of my legs. You can see I immediately lost balance because of this. Again, shoulders over your palms, tight core. Get your shoulders ready to press, elbows where your palms were. Interlace your fingers, head on the floor, no pressure. Suck in your stomach, round your shoulders. Tiptoe to your face. I don't know if tiptoe is necessary. This is just what I do. One leg up. See, I lost my balance. Why did I lose my balance? Because my hips are not stacked above my shoulders. Again, I got impatient and flicked my toe to get my leg up. That's how I lost balance again. Shoulders over palms, tight core, elbows where your palms were, interlace fingers, tuck pinky, round and press your shoulders into the ground, no pressure on your head, round back, suck in stomach, tiptoe to your face. Stack hips above shoulders, lift one leg bent. Your other one will float up, no kicking needed. Hold your balance, lift when you're ready. Keep breathing, keep your core tight. Control your legs with your core. When I lose balance, bending my legs helps me get it back. Point toes to the ceilings. Here I attempted a scorpion, really sloppy. It should feel like you're doing a plank. I'm lifting all my weight up with my core and pushing my forearms and hands into the floor. You should not be relaxing your core. Your core should be engaged the entire time.
You can do this, okay? If I could do it, you could do it. I literally went from looking like this to looking like this. So I don't want to hear it. No bad vibes. I know you can do it. If you make a video, hashtag eternally blue so I can see it. I don't know anything about yoga. I just wanted to do a headstand. I was getting calisthenics all over my For You page, and then I saw this girl do a headstand, and I was like, I can kind of do a handstand. A headstand looks way easier. I should be able to do a headstand. No. But I know I can't even like hold a headstand for that long yet, but the fact that I can just do one is like, that was that. I love seeing your comments. I love seeing the comments of the girls who got it all together. They're doing like insane headstand poses. Like, that's a vibe. I wish I was you. And then there's my girls, you know, posting them falling from a headstand. Literally, I get you more than anyone. So I like to have fun, okay? I'm just having fun. Keep following because I'm gonna learn how to do a scorpion headstand next. Yeah, I'm gonna learn, okay? So comment some advice, tips for me to follow.
Catch me if I fall. Got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fast. can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me